Is auto insurance coverage mandatory? An auto insurance requirement vary for state to state. If you are financing a car, your lender may also have its own requirement. Nearly every state requirement car owner to carry bodily injury liability, which cover cost associated with injury or death that you are or another driver caused while driving your car. Property damage liability, which remembers other for damage that you or another driver operating your car cause to another vehicle or other property such as fence, building, or utility pole. In addition, many states require that you are carry medical payments or personal injury protection, which provide reimbursement for medical experience for injury to you or your passenger. It will also cover loss to wages and other related expenses. Uh, Uni-insured motorized coverage reimburses you when a accident is caused by a driver who does not have auto insurance. On the case of a hit and run, you can also purchase under insured motorized coverage, which will cover cost when another driver lacks adequate coverage to pay the cost of a serious accident. Even if PIP and uni-insured motorized coverage are optional, if you state consider adding them to your policy for generate financial protection. What other type of auto insurance coverage are typically? While most basic legal mandated auto insurance coverage the damage your car causes, it does not cover damage to your own car. To cover your own car, you should consider these optional coverage. Collision reimburses you damage to your car that occur as a result of a collision with another vehicle or other object, example a tree or guardrail, while when you are at fault. While collision coverage will not reimburse you for mechanical failure or normal wheel and tear on your car, it will cover damage from potholes or from rolling your car. Comprehensive provide coverage against thief and damage caused by an incident other than a collision, such as a fire, flood, vandalism, hail, fall, rock or trees, and hazards, even getting hit by an asteroid. Glass coverage provide coverage from windshield damage, which is common. Some auto policy include a non-deductible glass coverage, which also includes side windows, rear windows, and glass sunroof, or you can buy supplemental glass coverage.